Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the popcorn diamond stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do double crochets. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 11. Also, you may have noticed from the intro that this pattern is non-reversible, so that means the texture is only going to be on one side. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work a double crochet, followed by double crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Along with fighting with your yarn ball. That'll be today's theme for this video, fighting with my yarn ball. Once you have all your stitches, you're going to turn your work, chain 2, and you're going to double crochet in the first 5 stitches. Then you are going to work a 5 double crochet cluster. That'll be the start of the repeat for this row. Then you will work 5 double crochets to the end of the row. So it'll be a 5 double crochet cluster followed by double crocheting in the next 5 stitches. We're going to turn our work. We are going to chain 2 and we are going to double crochet in the first 4 stitches. Next, we're going to work a 5 double crochet cluster, followed by double crocheting in the next stitch, and then working a 5 double crochet cluster, and then double crocheting in the next 4 stitches. The repeat for row 3 is going to be the double crochet cluster, followed by a double crochet, then another double crochet cluster, 5 double crochet cluster, and then double crocheting 4. All right, we're going to turn our work. We're going to chain 2 and we're going to double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Then we're going to do a double crochet 5 cluster. And that'll be the start for the repeat for this row, followed by working 5 double crochets. So row 5, we are going to chain 2 and we're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Next, we're going to turn our work. We are going to chain 2 and we're going to double crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then we are going to work a 5 double crochet cluster, and then we will double crochet in the next 8 stitches. And that'll be the repeat for this row of working a 5 double crochet cluster, then double crocheting 8. Next, we're going to chain 2 and we're going to work 7 double crochets. And that is the start of the repeat for this row. Then we will work a 5 double crochet cluster, followed by a double crochet, then another 5 double crochet cluster, followed by a double crochet in the last stitch. Then we will turn our work, chain 2, and double crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then we will work a double crochet 5 cluster, followed by double crocheting in the next 8 stitches. Next, row 9 is just going to be chaining 2 and double crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now the repeat for this pattern will be rows 2 through 9 until you end up getting your desired size. All right, so you may have noticed that some of the popcorn texture is facing to the back. So what you end up doing is just using your fingers and press it forward like so. So now you have all the clusters popped out on one side. And there you have it. That is how you do the popcorn diamonds stitch pattern. This pattern is fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.